I wonder if you could use a self-tapper and you can just screw this shit in here.
Yeah, fucking right.
Start talking a little bit just to take the tension off the cage. Release a little bit. This shit is badass. Look.
Alright guys, we got this 2007 Lexus es350. Car came in, no start, no power at all to the car. So we're going to fully diagnose the car, go through all the measures, see why the car doesn't have power, see why the car, after they jump start it or give it power from a jump start, why it doesn't stay on, and then go through the further measures to see what's going on. So far I've noticed she has a major leak coming from the valve covers, both valve covers. I'll throw some pictures in here to show you, different spots where the leaks are coming from. So far I've noticed that there's a bunch of clips broken, sensors broken, and he looks like he used exhaust sealant for the valve cover. So we're gonna get this thing straightened out and get this car up and running to the point where it can stay running and she doesn't need a jump start. All right, let's keep these wires out the way. All right, so yeah, we got a bunch of parts taken off, took the valve covers off, took the old alternator already off. I was gonna record all this stuff yesterday, but my camera died. Well, my phone died, because that's what I use for my camera. So right now I got everything taken apart, cleaned off. You're gonna see in this video what the past mechanic did to try to do these valve covers. He used the wrong sealant. So now I'm here fixing up his mess and trying to get this customer satisfied. So let me just put you guys on a time lapse as I put these valve covers back together, seal them the correct way, and hopefully you have no issues. Let's check it out.
Boom. 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 Yeah. Okay, I'ma start it off. They said I'm going ham, huh? They said they getting white girl wasted, that's how she get hammered. And I said I need my GT3 RS, so I said my chant, huh? Ain't that your man, huh? I swear that you out your manners. Ain't that your man, huh? I swear that you out your goddamn mind. Ain't that your kid, man? I swear that you out your goddamn mind. Can't fuck with shit, but I swear that I took her goddamn spine. Yeah, I swear that you out your goddamn mind. Like what you saying, huh? Tell like what you saying, huh? Ain't you got a man, huh? That ass so fat like Hannah. Oh my god, ban her. Get her out your plan, huh? Get right off my land, huh? The switchy, it go bang bang, but I made it boom boom. Way too soon. Give me leg room in my bedroom. I said give me head boo in my bedroom. I said give me leg room in my bedroom. I once met this stupid bitch, she want me to be her boyfriend. I said, well, you got it, girl, you just gonna need some more friends. I said, Jay, you got it, boy, you know that, that's my little name. Yeah. Talk to him.
New crush washers, brand new. That dives down and under this way. So that's started. Crush washers on the top. Get this ground put back in. What I want on the ground. Hey, I keep saying I'm gonna do it tomorrow, then I'll forget. Because hopefully tomorrow the alternator comes in. Alright, more back. Alright, so we got the valve covers done, put the intake back on, cleaned up everything, and now we'll just leave all this stuff open until the alternator comes in. It was supposed to come in yesterday, but I guess we're having weather delays in the Northeast, so we're waiting for that part to come in. So once the alternator comes in, it goes in this area right here. We'll slap that back in, put the radiator back in, put the cross member of the radiator support back in, the battery, and just finish up the little bit of stuff that we have left. So thanks for watching. That's it for today, and we'll see you back when the alternator comes back in. All right, guys, just got the alternator a week late. Freaking box is open. Let's see if the contents in here are at least decent and not bent out of shape. Alternator is here. Yes, sire, we are back. The alternator finally came in. A week later, I'm gonna drop some pictures in here and show you how the box showed up. We got it sorted, we got it situated. My brother's here. I forgot to drop the video of him putting in the alternator, but you saw in the beginning what kind of job he did.
And the winch, as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, you should show him right now.
I mean, show him to him. Just for now, right now, we got trying to get this car out of here. It came in on the winch, but it ain't leaving on one.
That's not how we do it.
No.
Put in that hard work for a good reason.
All right, so we're on our test drive now. Car is running and driving phenomenally. We're taking it down from Derby to Bridgeport. So I'll give you guys an update when we get to Bridgeport. All right, so about 2 minutes away from the customer's house. All in all, the ride was nice. Car's driving phenomenally. I would say that this is a successful job. We'll see in the next week or two as she drives the car every day to and from work to see if we got any issues. But as of right now, the car is riding good. I would say that this is a job well done. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Whoa.